up, guys? It's me, Jaden, with Jack, and today we're gonna play some Roblox. We're gonna play some Roblox today. This is not your automatic that game that you basically saw us play last week called Siren Head. No, we didn't. I didn't upload that video. Well, if you go on to Jack's channel, go like and subscribe, and comment down below what, and we might feature your Army Tycoon. Let's do Army Tycoon. No. Yeah, I already did that one. I finished my. Please comment down below what views. Let's play Arsenal. That's a good one. It's a shooting game where you shoot people and you get to. Arsenal? I think I played that one. Yeah, you should play. It's good. Today we'll be. There's also you can do. Let's play camping. Let's play mining simulator. Minecraft. Oh, Minecraft. Minecraft, there it is. Today we'll be doing Minecraft in Roblox. Today, this video is sponsored by Minecraft Roblox. Welcome, guys, to Jack. Jack and Jaden, but we already told them that. Welcome to our gaming channel. Today, this is Roblox. We are a jackbot in Minecraft. Today, how do you make a rocket launcher? You hit. Today, this is our Minecraft video. I got it. Okay. Jack's going to the bathroom. I'll be playing Minecraft. And viewers, if you like this video, like and subscribe and ring the bell for notification. Oh, I'm gonna take a crafting table. Human. Ouch! Somebody was hitting me. Who's hitting you? I don't know, but they hit me. So I'm able to move when I would be basically playing real Minecraft. I'm gonna kill you. How are people making fire rocket launchers? Leave a comment down below. Let us know. I think they're crafting. Wait, how do you make a crafting table? Oh wait, you can. Left click. No, left click. Stop killing us. Jerk. Oh no, just let him kill us since we're almost out of. Oh, dude. I think we're. Can you. Adam giveaway. Do you want to? Oh no. Wait. No. Hold up, we're gonna reset our character. No. Reset character. Okay, guys. We had to reset our character since somebody was killing us. Which is kind of annoying. Yes, it is. Today, we are Jackbot. Why did we just spawn on the tree? I don't know. No, hit exit. How do I change my camera version? I don't know. Okay. I never played. I'm in a god spot right now. We gotta reset character today, guys. Oh. Today we gotta reset our character. Again. Again. We're back. Oh, let's kill her. Let's see if she got loot. Let's kill her. We're gonna kill somebody. No, I don't want to hurt anybody. Okay, but she's good. Then she's gonna come attacking us. No, it's good. No, thank you. Oh yeah, take free. No, hit take free. Wait, where was I? No, don't. Don't. Which one is it? Huh? Good. They look good. They're really cool. Look what they can do. coming. Alright, guys. Okay, today. Sorry, we the disconnection was so I think the game was glitching in the Minecraft, so we gotta get back into Minecraft. This video is sponsored by Cosmo.
This
What?
this video is sponsored by the One Hand. Hello guys, I'm the one-handed. Yeah, I've got playing with that.
Today we'll be playing some. Thank you for the introduction. Today we will be playing. Jack, what will we be playing today on Roblox?
Minecraft, be creative. So go down, go down, go down. Go down, go down, go down. Go down, go down, go down, go down. Now, there it is. Minecraft, be creative. Come on, play that one.
Today we'll be playing Minecraft to be creative.
Oh, yeah.
And if you want to get Minecraft on your computer, link in the description down below. And we were thinking of, dude, this one is not that fun. Jack, I don't like this one.
Blah, blah, blah. Oh, no,
Jack.
I'm just gonna close this.
Okay, we're back. Today we'll be playing some normal Minecraft where you can hit.
Close. Just hit close.
Jackson.
Oh, I thought we were doing just Minecraft.
Today we'll be playing some Minecraft, and this video is sponsored by Osmo.
By Cosmo.
Osmo and Roblox.
This is my house, you know.
So if you want to play like and subscribe and ring the bell for notifications, and we were thinking of.
Why did you just hit cancel? That was for free.
What's this?
Just press all of them, okay?
Let's check out.
Hit cancel. Donate, maybe donate.
Super donate.
No.
Buy Robux. Okay, today we'll be doing some Minecraft and Roblox. If you not heard, well, my video is not coming out, so you will be saying Jack's video if you go on to Jack. What's your YouTube channel name? No, I mean no, Jack. What is your YouTube channel name? So if you go into Papa Jack Readings Books, you'll be seeing me well featured. Kids books. And this is the gaming channel version.
What are you talking about?
The gaming channel version of mine. When we always do some games. Princess Rabbits!
Jaden, I think these gloves are boots.
They're boots, Jack.
Oh.
This video is sponsored by I got killed! Nah! Getting back in, boys and girls. So, like and subscribe, and we are thinking of doing Roblox Fortnite. Leave a comment down below.
I don't know if these are gloves or socks.
Jack, stop! This is a YouTube channel, and your viewers are basically saying, "What is Jack doing?" Dude, do you want to help me with this YouTube channel or not? Let's stop getting distracted. Oh. Oh! Jack, stop. Yeah. Today we'll be digging down to see what happens. How am I not losing health? I don't know. Set creative. Stop, Jack. Oh yeah, take freeze. What happened?
I don't know.
How can I fly? I can't fly.
Because I don't know how to join creative.
Well, today we'll be not playing that since that did not work out, viewers. So today, will be something playing different.
Hair story. Piggy. Can we play Piggy? Viewers like Piggy.
Please comment down below if
No, Fortnite. You just type Fortnite.
No, Fortnite. Today we'll be playing some Fortnite, but this is not a legendary Fortnite. This is where you can play as Thanos as the Avengers and stuff.
I don't know what you're talking about, or you should go live to game on Mr. Pickles.
Today we'll be playing some Fortnite, and let's get this started on Roblox. Jack, what the And then when this whole video is over, we will sign off. Leave a comment down below if you like the video, and we will feature your comments. Like and subscribe. And ring the bell for notifications. And comment down below if you want us to do a channel at my house. Leave a comment down below if you do. If you do, when this video is over, we might. If anyone comments down below, we can feature your comments. So this game is basically loading. Right now we're playing Fortnite. In Minecraft challenge. Leave a comment down below. Okay, today we'll be playing one of the special games, and it will not be the one where today this game is called Piggy. Actually, it's called Spider-Man. Today we're playing Spider-Man Simulator. Today we'll be doing Spider-Man Simulator. You get to choose any Spider-Man you want.
This is gonna be epic.
This is by its creator. Joining.
Oh, run away from those guys. They can kill me. Oh, you're like a classic, right?
What the? I have a super jump. How do I swing?
You have to click the web. And then just